It's durian season. Let me show you these quick and easy durian recipes that you can try at home. First, let's start with making the durian chiffon cake. So these are all the cheap cuts that are at the supermarket. These kind of recipes usually help to utilize durians that are not as nice or as ripe to serve or eat on its own. So we will use it to make like other desserts or puddings. So I'm removing the flesh and the seeds you see here. There's still a bit of flesh attached to it. I won't throw it away. I will show you how I make full use of this to create another recipe. I'm straining it so that it forms a very smooth texture and it trap all the fibrous parts, so whatever dessert that we are making will end up with a very smooth consistency. So whatever balance inside, I'm not going to throw it out. It's essential not to waste the king of fruits. While the chiffon cake is baking, let me show you the next recipe, the Pengat Durian, but my way, in a pudding form. Traditional Pengat durian seldom has sago. I add sago so that the durian pengat will set like a pudding. After the sago is cooked, I'm adding in the durian puree.
Meanwhile,
this is the first time I'm attempting a chiffon cake. This is a very short chiffon cake. It was supposed to be double in height. I was supposed to use a 6-inch chiffon tin, but instead I mistook and used an 8-inch tin. Hence, it's very low. But the result is what we want, so we just have to be careful of the size of the baking tin to ensure we have a taller chiffon. And now it is time to serve. It's a very important lesson learned for me. It turned out very dense, more like a pound cake. I'll attempt this again next time. It's very nice, I like it. My dad used to make a lot of Pengat Durian at home. Reminds me of my childhood. Delicious. Stay tuned to the next episode where I'll show you another 2 more recipes. Bye-bye.